tornado has hit Madrid, tossing and flipping vehicles, some with people inside, and causing flooding in areas. Hundreds of people have been left homeless. Trees uprooted, balconies, roof tiles, and framework ripped off, and windows shattered as the violent winds struck the region. 8 people were injured and taken to the hospital for treatment. Firefighters said most of those injured had to pull it off the overnight vehicle. The classic game between Real Madrid and Juventus was completely interrupted by a tornado. Now, we will go to the place of the news with Daniel. Hey Daniel, how is everything there?
Hi Jonathan, everything looks chaotic. Here, I am with Arbeloa in Santiago Bernabeu Stadium. Hi Arbeloa, hi. Tell us about what happened. What happened, Arbeloa?
Hi, we was playing a difficult match. When I was about to kick the penalty, the tornado took my ball. The bad thing was we were losing the game, and it was an important game.
Oh, we lost a signal, but... Oh yeah. Return with Daniel.
Alright, Jonathan. Alright? Yes. Are you listening me? Come back with Arbeloa. Arbeloa. What happened with the match?
The match was difficult, and the bad thing was that we were losing the game, and it was an important game. And now I will search my teammates and my coach.
Daniel, but what happened with the fans?
Jonathan, the stadium was destroyed by tornado, and all the funds are lost.
Oh Daniel, rescued some fan?
Thanks, Jonathan, thanks. One fan was rescued. The emergency workers. Looks the fans. Looks.
Hi, what was the match interrupt?
The match was interrupted via tornado of the fuel.
Oh my God, my family was lost.
Come back with the studio.
Alright, now, we saw the pictures and a video in a tornado instead. strategy is very serious, but come back with other news.